Yeah, still your boy here. Atakata War 1. Nani Bonine. Always remember, anywhere you work college, then tell you say there is no saying a setup. Still your boy. Yeah, I know that very long time now I have not posted the video, and I know that you guys will be asking what is going on, what is happening. This guy have not posted the video. No, nothing is bad. Just like stress, I have a lot of things on my head. I have some things I'm facing. Not only, I also have family problem also. I need to figure things out. I need to put things in order. So, please, before I start, I just want to clear you something. Please, just try to exercise patience and then watch this video. Watch this video to the end. You understand? I know that you will learn a lot from this video. What is happening in our Igbo land right now is eating me up. It's biting me. And I know that you guys out there are watching what is happening, because when I come on social media, I see what is going on. I feel so bad. I feel pain in me. That is why I want to make this video concerning Odumeje and Chioma, Ada Jesus, and Rita Edochie, and also our brother Ofia Fulago. You understand? So what I'm about to talk about is what is happening. This girl, Ada Jesus, we all know that she's arrogant. We all know that she's rude. She don't have respect. We know that. Everybody know. The whole world know. You understand? But she have longed. She have did something bad, and she has apologized. She have begged on social media. She have go all over. She's begging for forgiveness. Okay, my question goes like this. If we cannot forgive her, if those that she offended cannot forgive her, are you telling me that you cannot offend somebody, or you never offend somebody in this life? Is it what you're trying to tell me? No. Okay, fine. She went to, her parent took her to Ofia. Then begged the man for forgiveness for what Ada said against him. The man forgave him. The man was a native doctor. The way I see him, the way I see him, I don't know how others see him, but the way I see him is a native doctor. So this man forgive her, and they pray for her, even give her money for the video I watched. Not somebody tell me, I watched the video. Okay, this man pray for her, pray very well, and they give her money, and even bless the money that any drugs that she buy with that money, when she take drugs, she will be fine. You understand? Okay, now they move from there. They went to Odumeje, and we know that she have offended Odumeje in many ways, even Rita Edochie, which is, I watched the video when she was talking different kind of words. She was talking different kind of insult, insulting the Odumeje and the Rita Edochie. You understand? I watched the video. I know that she did something bad. It's not good for you to insult others, even if you don't have any. Even if they are doing what you are saying, must you come on social media to insult them? Talk to them like that? People that are supposed to be like, they're supposed to be your father or your mother. Yes, she did something bad, but now she have realized her mistake. Now we are begging apologies, begging for forgiveness. Now this girl, she's begging for forgiveness. Rita Edochie said no, she can never forgive her. As far she concerned, she will die for that sickness. She will never forgive her. Oh, my dear. That means if human are God, no one in this life will live. God come into this life, die for our sin, and they still forgive us. Why can't we, human being, to forgive our own fellow human? Just because of the words she said with her mouth, you cannot forgive her. Come on. Okay, let us not go far for this matter. The man of God, Prophet Odumeje, I respect you. This girl still, she cannot even talk. You are still You know, everybody is begging you to forgive her, but you don't want. I wish I can lend her help for that girl, that poor girl. I wish I can do. I wish I can, you know, I wish I can do anything to help. I wish I can do anything to help her. She's not my sister. She's not from the same state with me, but I feel the pain. You know, I know that the same sickness that is disturbing her, eating her now, is what my sister passed away. My sister faced before I lost my sister 2 years ago. 2019, I lost my elder sister. You understand? I wish I can lend that help to that girl, to that lady. I can do. If I can do, I can do it. But the problem of all these things that are happening now, I'm pleading. If Odumeje, I am pleading. I'm not forcing you. I'm just begging you also. I'm not saying otherwise. I'm just begging. If you can help her, please forgive her and heal her. I think it's better. And if you do so, the world are watching you. The world are seeing what is happening. The world can pick it. The world can know that you are real, not fake, as people said. You can use this to make people to know that you are the real man of God we are talking about here. You can use this to surprise people. Yes, the girl have offended you. The world has seen it. The world have seen all things, you know. The world has seen what the girl said. Everybody is against her. We cannot kill her. So they say that when you beat her child with your right hand, you use the left hand, draw the child. She have wronged you. Now it's time for you to forgive her because she have begged for forgiveness. So forgive her. Forgive. That is what I'm begging you, Odumeje. You are the one that's holding it now. You and Rita Edochie. Forgive her and forget. If you know the means for you to heal her, then do it. Okay? May God bless you as you are watching. Please don't forget to share this video. And another thing again, these things are happening. Our leaders are there. They will not say that they are not seeing it. This girl that's sick now, somebody that feel that she have money or he has money can take this girl to abroad and they cure this girl. Medical doctors can take care of this thing. This thing that happened to this girl, the medicals, they can take care of that. All over the world, America, they can take this girl to America, they can heal her. They can bring this girl to Europe, they can heal her. I wish I can lend her help. I wish I can do something. But the world are seeing it. Nobody want to do anything. People are there. You have money. You have a lot of money. All the celebrities in Nigeria, they are all there. All the rich men in Igbo land, they are there. You cannot do anything. You are there watching this little girl just to die. People are there commenting, dropping different kind of comments. You cannot lend her help. That girl now may become somebody tomorrow. Even if she cannot become somebody, even the child she born can be somebody tomorrow. Please, if you guys know any way to help or to lend her help to this girl, please, you guys have to do it. Still your boy. Atakata Abo 1 Nani Bonine. Remember, if a woman can deny her identity because of prick, automatically she can also deny her child because of prick. May God bless you. Don't forget to share this video. Still your boy. Atakata Abo 1 Nani Bonine.